Hello students, welcome to Anjana's Maths class. Today I will teach you LCM and HCF. Okay? The last class I taught you HCF by prime factorization method. So let us revise once. So 42, take out the factors. 3, 7, 21 and 7, 1. Okay, 70. You take out the factors. So 7, 1. Okay, then 84. So 4, 2 1s are 3 7s are 7 1. So factors of 42. 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, then factors of 70. 2 into 5 into 7. And factors of 84. 'So see what is the common here. 2 is common here and 7 is common here. Okay. This 2 is common here and 7 is common here. So HCF of 42, 70, 84 equal to 2 into 7 is 14. Okay. So this is the prime factorization method. Okay. See, there is another method, HCF by long division method. This long division generally we use in large numbers. Okay, 144 and 216. ये जो HCF का लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड है ये बड़े नंबर्स के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे 144 है 216, और स्मॉल नंबर्स के लिए 2 डिजिट नंबर्स के लिए प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड इज इजी फॉर यू. ओके, तो अब क्या करेंगे, इस 216 को पहले डिवाइड करेंगे 144 से. ठीक है, सो 1 जा 144, तो ये कितना हुआ 642, और ये यहाँ से 1 कैरी, ये 1, तो ये 72. देन 72 को अभी दोबारा 144 को करेंगे. ठीक है ना, तो 72 रफ वॉक 2 करके देखते हैं तो 144 आता है. तो 72 2 जा 144. So no remainder. Means the HCF of 144 and 216 is 72. लास्ट से जिससे हम डिवाइड करेंगे रिमाइंडर नहीं बचेगा. That this number is HCF. So HCF of 144 and 216 is 72. Okay, this is the long division method I told you, and these two methods we use to find out HCF. Okay. Now see here, LCM by common division method. Last time I have told you this method. I have combined all the numbers and find out the LCM. Now see here, once again, this is common division method. See here, 2 2s are 4, 2 4 8, 2 3 6, 2 2 4, 2 3 6 then 12, 2 6 12. Again divide by 2. 2 12 24, 2 16 32, 2 18. 2 6 12, 2 8 16, 2 9 18. Twelve are 24, 2 16 32, 2 16, okay, again 2 3 6, 2 4 8, again 9, then again 2 will be here, 3 2 9, again 2, 9, 2 6 12, 2 8 16, 2 9 18, then 2 3 6, 2 4 8, and 9 will remain here, 2 3, then 2 2s are 4, 2 9. If it is not divisible by 2, then same number is written here. Now 3 1 3 1 and 3 again, so long, 3 1 1 1. Now you have to find out your LCM of these all. LCM of 48, 64, 72 equal to, how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Six 2s are here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, then 3 2, 2 3 into 3, then how much? 2 2 4 2 8, 2 16 2 32, then rough work you can do, 32 2 is 64, and this is 9 into 9, 36, 3 carry, 6 9 is 54, plus 3 57, so 576. Okay, this is common division method. You can find out LCM by same prime factorization method also. Okay. Now let us find out LCM by prime factorization method. So let us take 48 first. Ones are 2, 2s are 4. Then 2 6, 2 3, 3 1. Now 64 is a 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 16 32, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2, and 2 1. Then 72 again, 2 6 2. 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. In HCF what we do? We just take out the common. But in LCM, in prime factorization method, you have to count how much 2 factor 2, how much times it comes greater, where the maximum number of time you take is that number of 2's. Okay, see here, 1 2 3 4, here 4 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 times here, and here 1 2 3. So you take this 6 number of times 2. Okay, now LCM of the maximum number of 2's where occur, you take that number of 2. So LCM of 48, 64 and 72. So factor 2 occurs here maximum number of times. So here you take it 6 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. One, two, three, 4, 5 and 6. Then see, 3 occurs. 2 and 3 only are the factors. There are not any other number are not factors of 48, 64 and 72. Only 2 and 3 are the factors. So here 2 comes 6 times and 3 times. 3 factor 3 comes only 2 times. Here it is 1. So take this. 2 times, the maximum number of times where it occurs, you take that number of times of that factor. Okay, so now see here, it will come same. Last time how much we got? 576. So you calculate it, you will get same number answer. Sorry, 1 minute. Same answer you will got. Calculate the factors. Same answer you will get. See here, last time also we got 6 number of 2's, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So count it, you got 64 last time, and then 64 into 9 is 576. So here we completed LCM and HCF. Okay. Now look here, there are certain facts about LCM and HCF. The two coprime, 1 minute. See here, the HCF of two coprime numbers. Two coprime numbers is 1, and the LCM of two coprime numbers is their product. Okay, HCF of two coprime number is always 1, and the LCM of two coprime number is their product. So let us take an example. 5 and 6. So both are coprime numbers. You find out HCF. HCF will be 1. HCF is 1 of both 5 and 6. Okay. Then product, LCM. Then product of these two will be LCM. LCM is 30. Okay, their product will be the LCM. Then let us do the next one. If two numbers are factor and multiple of each other, then smaller number will be HCF. Smaller number will be HCF and greater number will be LCM. Okay. Now see here, example. Five is a factor of 20 and 20 is a multiple of 5. So HCF of 5 and 20 will be 5. And LCM of 5 and 20 will be 20. You can find out HCF of 5 and 20 and LCM of 5 and 20. Okay. So if the two numbers are factor and multiple of each other, then the smaller number will be HCF and greater number will be LCM. So 5 is a factor of 20 and 20 is a multiple of 5. So if HCF of 5 and 20 will be always 5, you can find out here 5, this is 5, okay, then 20, 5 4s are 20, then 2, 2, 1. So HCF 5 is common here, so HCF will be 5. Okay, now find out LCM of 5 and 20 by common division method. See here, 5 1, 5 4. So again 2 will be here, 2, 2, 1. So 5 into 2 into 2 is equal to 20. 5, 2 into 2 is 4, so 20. So 5 will be the HCF, lowest number will be the HCF and greater number will be LCM. Okay. Now see here, the product of LCM and HCF of two numbers is equal to the product of two numbers. Now let us take an example. 12 and 15. Okay, now find out LCM of 12 and 15. First find out HCF. 12. Then 15. 1 Okay, here it is finished. Now what will be the HCF here? HCF will only 3. 3 is common only. See here, only 3 is common in both. So HCF will be 3. Twelve and 15 is equal to 3. Now find out LCM. I am doing by common division method. 15 will remain here. Then 2, 3. Again 15 will remain here. 3, 1, 3, 5. So LCM of 12 and 15 will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, and how much will be? 3, 3, 9, 9 to 18. 18 to how much? 36. Okay. 1 minute. See here. Here I have written 3. I was mistake. So here 5 ones are 5. Okay. So now you calculate it. It will be 60. Now find out their product. LCM into HCF. 60 into 3. This is 180. And the product of two numbers will also be 180. 12 into 15. Product of two numbers. Sorry, 1 minute. Product of 12 and 15. Find out product of 12 and 15. So this is 180. Same thing. So the product of LCM and HCF is equal to the product of the two numbers. Okay. Now see here, in this statement we got a formula LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. Okay. I have taught you now with examples. So if LCM is not given, you have to find out the LCM. HCF and product of two numbers are given. Then how will you find out? Then LCM equal to product of two numbers divided by, here see, this is multiply. If it comes to this side, right hand side, इक्वल टू के इधर आ जाएगा तो यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई है तो नीचे डिवाइड हो जाएगा. साइन चेंज. I have taught you these things earlier. If there is multiplication, it comes to the right hand side, then it will be divide. If there is divide, it comes to the right hand side, then it will be multiply. If here is plus, it will come to right side, then it will be minus. If here is minus, if it will come to right side, then it will be plus. So sign will change. Okay. These things I have taught you earlier. And if you have to find out same thing, HCF, then LCM will be here, HCF will be here. So students, today I have taught you the facts about LCM and HCF and the method about the LCM and HCF. You have two methods. So please practice it at your home, and if you like my video, please subscribe and share it. Thank you.